Hey, and in this episode of Bite Size Media Making, we'll be going over how to export your videos. We'll be going over rendering using DaVinci Resolve. Let's get into it. So once you're finished editing your video on DaVinci Resolve, you have all your pieces together, all your beautiful transitions, audio is well matched, and we're feeling good. What we're gonna do now is export. We're gonna go down to the bottom right. This little spaceship icon here is the Deliver tab. So we're gonna click that and it'll take you to this interface. And this is where you'll export your video, right? We're outputting on this interface screen. So what we're gonna do here is we're gonna give this video a title. We're gonna tell DaVinci where we want it to be saved. And then we're gonna add to render queue. When you add to the render queue, it's not rendering just yet. You do have to swipe up here to the top right, come down. You can render multiple projects if you have multiple videos coming out of this project. But for this one, we'll render this one, and you'll see it sort of loading through until it's done. And then always go back and check wherever your saved destination was to make sure that the video is there. It's saved onto your computer, your hard drive, wherever you need it. And watch the video through a full run just to make sure that all pieces came out well and that the video looks good in the way that you wanted it. We hope this was a super helpful bite-sized media making tip. Thank you for tuning in with C and me. We'll see you next time.